Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you how to convert a normal projector into a smart projector. This is Anycast device and a USB port to power it up. And this is a Wi-Fi receiver through which we will operate. For that matter, you can convert any video output device which has HDMI port. Let me connect it on the HDMI port available on the projector. And the USB cable to power the device. This is a projector. We are going to use it for today's project. Let us quickly have a 360-degree view. Go to the menu options in the projector and select the video input as HDMI. Pairing your mobile device is so simple. Go to Settings, Display, and find Screencasting. Select the Anycast device, enter the password, and it is connected. Now the device is connected. You can see my mobile gallery projecting on the screen. It was an awesome experience while playing the game on a full screen. We have tried playing YouTube content on the projector. It was very good.
Get the best pizzas delivered quick.
We could play and project the Amazon Prime content as well. However, we could not show the same on the video due to the content right issues. We have played couple of gallery content as well. It was playing very good and fine. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching our video.